What is microlearning? Hey folks, it's Kirk Langford, General Manager at Unique Training and Development and Frontline Leadership Systems USA. So for those of you that may not be familiar, microlearning, if we break it down to its components, micro and learning, it's taking big topics, ideas, courses, or modules and breaking them down into really small, bite-sized tidbits of learning. So maybe we take a 4-hour course, break it down into 4 one-hour courses, or even smaller. We might take a 1-hour course and break it down into 10-minute modules or 10-minute little activities. So the whole point of microlearning is to take something big, a big idea, a big topic, break it down into something small. As an example, if we look at managing conflict, we might take that big course on managing conflict and break it down into a bunch of micro modules. So the first one might be just about understanding the root of conflict, and that might be just a 15-minute micro-learning piece. Another one might be looking at some conflict resolution methods. That's another 15-minute micro-learning. Another one might be practicing effective listening. Another one, asking good questions. So each one of those bits, instead of just being all part of one big course, each one is a separate little component, a separate little course that you could take. And that's the idea behind microlearning. If you want to hear more about it, you can read our blog post or you can check out our vlog. The link is in the bio.